Jeremy Linder here, Public Information Officer for Caltrans District 3. We would like to say a big thank you to all the maintenance crews working hard along our mountain highways in the Sierra Nevada. The blizzard from earlier this month brought severe conditions to the region, with heavy snow, strong winds, and zero visibility at times. Crews worked tirelessly around the clock, rotating shifts every 12 hours before, during, and after winter storms. District 3 has the largest winter operations in the state. This includes maintaining and operating Interstate 80 over Donner Summit and US 50 over Echo Summit. Throughout the day, crews not only operate heavy equipment and moving tons of snow, but also manning chain control checkpoints and truck screenings. Between Thursday, February 29th and Monday, March 4th, crews measured 126 inches of snow at Donner Summit, nearly half of the seasonal total so far this year. Wind gusts were also measured around 80 miles per hour according to the National Weather Service. In comparison, crews in South Lake Tahoe saw 65 inches. Once the snow stopped, crews never took a break, clearing snow and focused on reopening I-80, State Route 20 in Nevada County, 49 in Sierra County, and 89 near Emerald Bay. Additional support includes Traffic Management Center dispatchers in Rancho Cordova and Kingville, kitchen staff in the dormitories, and the shop mechanics working on routine maintenance and performing repairs quickly to get the equipment back out on the highway. While the groundhog said otherwise, our crews know winter is not over yet, and more snow could be on the horizon. Once again, we want to say a big thank you and a job well done.